Health is the most important thing that the person has, and he always has to keep a healthy lifestyle in order not to be ill. But unfortunately, sometimes it can happen that you have some issues, and probably you feel that you are falling ill. Maybe you just have got a cold and there is not much to do, just drink hot tea and stay in bed for some days. It usually takes you not so much time to recover. But if you feel all the flu symptoms like fatigue, muscle pain, and you tend to have a cough or a runny nose or a fever, and apart from that you are shivering, so apparently you've got the flu. And many people fear the flu very much, as you know, it has a lot of side effects, and you have to prevent them. In order to avoid it, it's better to see a doctor. You have to see a doctor. The first thing for you to do is to make an appointment. The doctor will examine you, and probably he will tell you that there is a flu epidemic in your town or city. But anyway, he has to test your blood, take your blood pressure, examine your throat, and you should probably have the flu, and you will be diagnosed with it. But anyway, I want to give you a little bit of advice. Never self-diagnose, because it can be a question of life and death. At some point, probably you get worse. In this case, you have to call an ambulance and you have to be hospitalized. Doctors or nurses will soothe the pain, giving you an injection or administering a drug. Many people prefer get vaccinated against the flu, but I'm not a fan of it. And when you are getting better, you understand that there is no need to stay in the hospital any longer. And the next step is to pay a medical bill if you don't have health insurance. And when eventually you are discharged from the hospital, you feel perfect and happy and you go home. But don't forget to, that in order to be healthy, you should don't forget to cut down on sugar, to drink a lot of water, to stay physically active. To get these, you have to work out on a regular basis. For some people, it's necessary to be on a diet, and I know that many people nowadays prefer to use home remedies than to take pills or painkillers. And of course, it's very important to have a regular check-up in order not to be ill and to have different issues with your health. Because when you recover from your illness and get better and finally you get well, you are a happy person again, and you can do everything you like. So, and my advice is don't forget to keep a healthy lifestyle and be happy.